When we heard that the global engineering course wasn't going to get to travel this year, we were honestly devastated. The students had spent most of the semester designing and building scientific research stations with the Juara Foundation in the Brazilian Pantanal. For me, this was a project years in the making. Then COVID-19 happened. What are you going to do? Well, we decided that if our students can't travel the world on engineering projects right now, maybe we could ask the world's engineers to travel to us. Would that work? Would engineers really be willing to travel and speak to our little class? We set a goal of finding 5 speakers. In the end, we had to cap the series at 10. Engineers from 4 continents, Europe, Asia, South America, North America, came to help. 3 alumni who were sitting in this class just a few years ago heard our call. Engineers who travel for their jobs. Engineers who volunteer their expertise through nonprofits. But to me, the most interesting thing is that the speaker series is bookended by engineers who have made it their life's goal to promote peace through engineering. While we never asked for this, because of the generosity of engineers from 4 continents, Mount Union's engineering education continues to be world-class.